So we look at area and perimeter, first of all, of this rectangle. Now the area is the space that's covered by the shape itself, right? The amount of space that it takes up on the paper. Now we can count this up in squares very easily. So we sort of say how many squares, right, how many squares does this rectangle cover? Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the area is 12, and we would normally be told that each centimetre is each square is 1 centimetre squared. That means it's a centimetre that way and a centimetre that way. And so the answer would be 12 centimetres squared. So we can simply work out the area by counting. Now the perimeter is the distance all the way around the shape. So let's start, say, here. We must be careful not to count 1 until we've moved 1. So we count the side lengths of each square. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the perimeter is 14, and it's just length 14 centimetres. Now of course you could count it's 4 that way, and it would be 4 across, the same lengths either side, and 3 from here to here, 1, 2, 3, and you can do it that way as well. 4 and 3 plus 4 and 3 comes to 14. So that's area and perimeter of your basic rectangular shape. Now, if we move on to this 3D solid, we might be asked what is the surface area of the solid. Now, when you look at a picture of a solid, you can only see half of the surfaces, right, or the sides. It's a bit like a dice. If you think a dice has got 6 sides, but you could only see 3 when you look at it without turning. So whatever I can see here, I'm going to have to double to get the full surface area. What I can see is only half the surface area. So again, I could count, and maybe just to be absolutely sure, I could number the surface squares. So I've got 6 on the front, and I've got another 4 here, so we'll go 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I can see 16 surface squares, but remember I can't only see half of the solid, so I must double that to get the full surface area of this 3D shape. And of course I must write my unit, centimetre square.